Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today it's season 2 of the Santos rebuild. Here's the team. We did sell some players, so we have 25 mil. Transfers out. Yeah, we saw. Okay, I think it starts from right here. So yeah, we're pretty much rich. Yes, we sold Acevedo. How much did we sell him for? 6 million? Pretty. He's old and he was going down, but yeah, we're pretty much for season 2. We signed a goalkeeper, striker, and probably a midfielder. And yeah, who knows? Those two are like the main priorities. After that, we'll see who we sign. But yeah, I'll be back with the signings. Guys, here is all the signings. We signed a goalkeeper, a right back, San Pedran for 3 million. Signed Kennedy and Medina, 77 rated. Let me see transfers in. So signed Kennedy for 3.5 mil. He played for Pachuca last season, so I'm like, might as well bring him in. Signed a goalkeeper. Literally, probably the hardest position to find because everybody just kept rejecting me. But yeah, I had to spend 10 million on it. Then signed Veteran for 3 million. Pretty good deal if you ask me. Medina for 5.5. He's like my right winger replacement since we sold him. And then we signed a right back. Let's see. So yeah, we sold originally he was my right winger for 10 mil. So yeah, but I didn't know at the time I thought he was my attacking midfielder. So yeah, I ended up getting him. Still, it's not bad signing. I think that's gonna be all the signings for this window. Well, guys, it turns out that we qualified for CONCACAF Champions League. Yeah, this is our group. We got Charlotte, Pumas, and Club America. First match of the league is against America. I mean, I would just be happy if we get a decent result. Just say that. Well, and we conceded. And 3-0 down. Are we for real? Are we for real? Yeah, 4-0 down. Yeah, we're cooked. And yeah, our defense is just not doing good. And yeah, we're gonna just swap them around. Hopefully we could cook with that, but we'll see. I mean, at least we haven't conceded. Okay, well, where do I talk? Well, 5-0 loss. Yeah, not great. Second match against Pumas. Honestly, if we want to make it past the group stage, we gotta beat Pumas and Charlotte. That's the only way, because I don't see us beating America. We only lost 5-0 to them, and we already conceded. Okay, 1-1. We'll take it. Thank you, Kennedy. 2 goals for Kennedy. We take that. I mean, we definitely need a right winger. I decided to put Medina on midfield, but yeah, definitely right winger, and we conceded. So, and yeah, 3-2, not good. Hopefully we get a third one, maybe, please. Yeah, that's just great. Well, loss against Pumas. Well, match against Charlotte, pretty much a must-win game, or else we cooked. We'll just say that. Well, pretty boring match, must say. There's no activity going on besides the yellow cards. draw against Charlotte. Well, game against America, second round. Yeah, whatever. Um, yeah, we pretty much got a win, but I don't. Yeah, well, we already conceded. So yeah, I mean, not that much hope. Maybe changing our strikers will do something. We'll see. All right, all right. We scored and then we conceded. That's great. Well, 3-1, 4-1 against America. Hate to see it. Game against Pumas. We really just gotta win our last two games if we actually want to make it through. So just gotta pray. Well, we scored. Let's go. Medina with the goal. Kennedy. Let's go, Kennedy. Kennedy with the third. Well, it looks like we got the 3 points. We take it. Let's go. Well, match against Minnesota. We already scored early on. We take it. Honestly, just keep this result and we're good. By the way, as long as we win, we qualify. I think we're even on points or have more points than Pumas. So yeah, we're good. But we scored another one, so we're good. Then we conceded. That's great. Not much happening in the second half, but hey, I'll take it. As long as we keep this result, we're good. 3-1, let's go. And yeah, 3-2, but yeah, we take it, let's go. Quarterfinals against Toluca, we already conceded. You know what? 2-0. 3-0. 4-0. Alright. Yeah, you know it's over. Like 5-0. Are we for real? And what is our goalkeeper doing? What, a 3.6 rating, I think that was? I don't know. If an offer comes, I might have to sell, honestly. Well, 5-1, I guess. A consolation, but it's low-key over. Like, why even bother? Second leg, I mean, there's really no point, but we'll just see. And yeah, we already conceded. Honestly, as long as well, we already got oh fuck, can't say it. It's 2-0. Oh my god, why even bother? Mutilated. So I can't. Well, yeah, I mean, at least we scored, I guess. It's 3-1. All right, we're at the midway point of the season, and yeah, we did sell some players. Sold our center back for 16 million, a youth academy player for 18 million to Toluca, and Edson Gutierrez. But yeah, here's the players we brought in. Sant Blama, good, an improvement, and then two center backs. 78 rated, and then I had a little bit of money left, so I'm like, you know what? Why might as well sign him? Hopefully, like 1 or 2 good seasons from him. But yeah, this is the squad now, and yeah, I guess we'll sim till the end of the season. I forgot to mention, but we are 5th in the league. All right, we're gonna sim the cup. This is actually, I think, the quarterfinal, and we're against Querétaro. And yeah, hopefully we win. 1-0. We take it. If we keep this up, we go to the semifinals, I think. Not much happening, we'll say that. But we go through. Alright, we're against Monterrey, semifinals. And yeah, hopefully we win to make it to the final, but we'll see. Yeah, I mean, not much is happening, I'll tell you that. Yeah, really, not much going on. Like, pretty boring match. And Kennedy scores. Let's go. And we go to the final. Alright, the final against Juarez, and we already scored. We take it. And respectfully, we should be winning this. 2-0. Let's go. Keep this up, we're good. Honestly, 3-0. 3-0. No substitutions. Same team. Honestly, just win this. Like, we already won. So, we're guaranteed a title. We conceded. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We are the champions of Copa MX, which doesn't happen in real life. We stopped doing that, but yeah, still won it, I guess. There you go. Here's the trophy animation, and we get 1 mil. Love to see it. We're at the end of the season, finished 8th, so we somehow did worse. But yeah, finished 8th place. Here's the squad. And yeah, here's the stats of our players. Kennedy, our top scorer, with 28. Sordo with the most assists. But that's pretty much it, really. Yeah, I mean, if y'all enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.